Hey guys, we're back. This is gonna be a short video.
We are gonna be sucking helium out of this balloon. Mom's 40th birthday. Okay, so we're gonna start by poking.
Brain, don't poke a hole. You're supposed to kill it with scissors.
Okay, ready? I'll go first. Okay.
Brain, that's not enough. You can't just do.
Hello. Oh my gosh, that sounds so
working.
weird. Okay, wait.
You have to cut it with scissors.
I will. Look, move.
Go get the scissors over there.
Okay. Guys, 1 second.
She doesn't know how to do it.
What?
What?
This sounded a little weird. Okay, move. I'll make this lit. Open it up.
Make it work word by word. You're gonna waste all the helium. Hurry.
I'm not.
Okay, now let me go.
Hello guys, we're
Ew.
back. Here it's Brayden's turn. Ready?
So, oh my gosh, I sound like Alvin the Chipmunk. That sounds like the weirdest thing ever. Ew.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Addie.
I don't know how I sound right now, but I sound really weird. Yeah.
So, this is Alvin and the Chipmunks. This is probably how they made
Happy
it.
birthday on it.
My mom's 40th birthday. That is so weird how we sound like that.
Hi, I sound really
Addie, you already
loud.
said hi.
Oh, well, yeah, Brayden, you already said you sound like Alvin.
Oh my gosh, my lips are like purple, but they're really not. Okay, Brayden, you get, and then I get the last.
So that is how, whoa. I feel lightheaded.
Oh my goodness.
Brayden, stop. You do not feel like that.
Yes, I do. Okay, well, that's our video. Have a great day,
All right,
guys.
bye.
Bye.